I want to make the best tools. I want to give the best resources, build the best atmosphere for my team, for my truckers, in the fleet, so that you can make the most money. Been in business for 20 years. I've started as a driver, then owner operator, had been a dispatcher, then a fleet owner, and then we just kind of settled on the best way is self-dispatch owner operators. We started to completely change and revamp the whole TMS system to help the owner operators. Every single truck has a login with all of their information, from loads to statistics to P&Ls,
Mm,
fuel, performance graphs, and it basically shows transparency on every single load, every single charge. But one of the things that I haven't really done too much at that time was, well, what about the self-dispatching part?
right.
So, yes. And, when everybody started pushing a lot of money into technology on the broker side, that was like 2017. I was excited. Oh my gosh, they're going to help us to optimize the loads. And after
They're gonna
2
help
years,
somebody.
I'm like, yeah, they did that for themselves. They optimized their business, um,
Yeah.
but nothing was done for the trucker side, and that's where I was kind of very disappointed. So I was already starting to kind of figure out on how to do it myself. I want to be impactful to where the trucking industry, people that come to trucking, they benefit from all the new stuff that's coming out, the technology. It's gonna happen. AI is gonna happen, and I would say trucking in many ways falling behind or late to this development. Other industries have gone through the digitalization. At least a decade prior. We've been doing this manually for a long time. So it's
Yeah.
about there's a lot of benefits from it too. All of us, we want to make money, but would you rather make money in the most optimized way, in the most efficient way? I know that there's trucking companies out there that have dispatchers, and they're good people. Like I've dealt with a lot of good people, on the dispatching side, and myself as I dispatch. Like I understand the struggles, the human factor of it all. But you got
Sure.
to understand that, as the technology progresses, we can simplify and optimize all of this stuff so that we make the most out of it.